Switch it out, bulb goes in here. The front goes in first, you pop it back in.
Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media here. Thank you so much for stopping by, and in this video we're going to continue the modification to Daniels G35, and in this one it's going to be an easy one, really simple but super cool. We got some really cool clear side markers to replace the amber ones, and I'm going to show you how to install them. It only takes about 10 seconds. It's really quick. I'm sure you saw the little clip at the very beginning, but stick around, there's a little bit more to why these are so cool and how they came to be. So I actually got these side markers from a guy who heard the story about Daniel, was inspired, and he actually sent these to me, and he wrote me a letter, and I wanted to read that out loud to you guys. So here's the letter here, and I'm just gonna read this to you really quick. It said, "Hey, my name is Danny, and I saw your video you made about your brother-in-law's passing from leukemia, and how you plan to build his car in memory of him. Once I saw the car, it reminded me of my car I built from stock. I put a lot of time and money into it, and Sunday on Father's Day, I got a call from my girlfriend that her and my son got into a car accident. My first thought was, are you and the baby okay? I was relieved that they were, but once I got to the scene and I saw how bad the damage was, it broke me down because I realized my car was totaled. To some, it's a car, and to me, it was everything. I suffered from depression, so my car is my escape from reality. So once I heard your story, I knew that I had to get involved and donate my clear side markers, since they're so hard to find. But I can't wait to see the build and hope you guys get some closure from it. Sending my condolences to you and your family, Danny." And this is his car here. I'll try and get it to focus in a second here. But Danny, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Nobody's ever, you know, kind of reached out with stuff like this. It really touches me, and it sucks about your car, dude. I mean, look at this car. So it's really cool. He sent a picture of his car that's it on the top there. It looks like it's lowered, and you know, it just sucks that it got into a car accident. But I'm glad everybody's okay, Danny, and I'm definitely hoping that you get another car, and hopefully we can meet up sometime. Now, I want to just preface by saying that I did not ask for these. He reached out to me, and you know, we talked about it, and you know, he really wanted to be involved, and that was really cool. I don't have my address public or anything like that, but thank you, Danny, from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it. They look really good on the car, and let's go show these guys how to install them really quick. Okay, so I already replaced the amber with the clear because it's so easy to replace, and this is how easy it is. You pull at the back side here till it unclips, and then it comes off. And then you just take this, give it a twist. Oh, which way? This way. There's your bulb. Switch it out, bulb goes in here. The front goes in first, you pop it back in. Easy as that. And there you guys have it, super easy. I saw so many videos on YouTube that were like 10-15 minutes long, but it literally takes like 15 seconds. That's why I put like a small clip in the beginning. So if you appreciate that, go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna be doing a lot more to this car. This is just a very small thing, but we have some bigger stuff coming down the line, so really look forward to it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next video.